Oil change and inspection due warning on an Audi Q5. This is a 2021 model, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset both of those now. Okay, so the first thing you would do if the ignition is off, you will press the ignition on. So you flick it on, come up to the home screen here, and we can see the warnings are displayed. You then go to the infotainment section. If you don't have the home screen enabled, you will click the home button. You go to car, then you click into settings and service. From there, service intervals, and we can see 2 intervals are due here. The oil change one and the inspection. We're going to reset. Yes. Oil change interval has been reset. And to reset the inspection interval, we're going to have to plug the scan tool in and reset it, but we can reset this manually. This one isn't resetting automatically, which is the case in some other ones as well. So we're going to have to plug the scan tool in to do that. So I grab the Think tool, scan tool, and I reset the inspection warning through that. It's quite a simple and effective process, but you will need a compatible scan tool to be able to do it. Once that's done, all the resets are completed and it's good to go. And that is it for this video. I hope you found it useful and informative. If you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.